Hey guys, welcome back to Find Your Solution. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a credit card to PayZapp. So it's really easy and simple. So first things first, you want to go to the home screen of PayZapp and you want to tap on the Cards tab. And then here, guys, what you're going to do is you want to select the Add Card option, and then you basically want to add your card. You want to enter, the cardholder's name, the card number, and the expiration date. And if they ask you for the CVV code as well, guys, you want to put that in. And what's going to be happening, guys, is a small amount will actually be deducted from the account for verification. Usually it's like 2 rupees, but it will be refunded within a few business days. You don't have to worry about that. It's just a small amount. It's very negligible and it will be refunded back. They're just doing this to verify the credit card, okay? And you can also, link a RuPay credit card to PayZapp UPI by the following steps. Of course, go to PayZapp Home, Accounts and Cards, and then you want to go to your UPI accounts, and then you want to click on the credit cards tab. You want to enter the last 6 digits of the card, the expiration date, and the OTP that you will receive on your registered mobile number. So then, guys, what you basically want to do is you want to enter the credit card pin and just set up a new UPI pin for yourself, okay? And if you want to remove a linked credit card from PayZapp, just go to your PayZapp account, go to home, click on manage cards, and you just want to select the credit card you want to delink, and then just click on the trash icon and just confirm that, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.